Today I'm cooking my daughter's favorite fried noodle, simple stir-fried yee-mee. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 3 portions of dry yee-mee or egg noodles, 130 grams of kailan cut with the stem and leaves separated, 4 stalks of spring onions, 150 grams of bean sprout, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried garlic, 3 tablespoons of garlic oil, 2 eggs cooked into omelette strips, 2 red chili, 160 grams of pork shoulder cut into thin slices, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of sugar, and quarter teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Sprinkle salt on the pork shoulder, rub and marinate it. Leave it aside. Prepare hot boiling water here. Put the yee-mee in a heat-resistant pot. Pour hot water over the yee-mee to soak. Once it's soaked in hot water, the yee-mee will be slightly soft. Arrange to submerge them in the hot water as much as possible. Cover the pot for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the yee-mee is no longer crispy, so it's easy to stir and turn it. Rotate the yee-mee, turning them from the top to bottom to evenly soak them. Cover the pot and continue to soak for another 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the yee-mee are soft and ready. Drain the water with a strainer, shaking a little to remove excess water. Place the yee-mee in a basin. Pour half tablespoon of garlic oil over the yee-mee and mix. This prevents the yee-mee from sticking together while other ingredients are prepared. Leave it aside. Put 1 tablespoon of garlic oil in the pan. Switch on the heat. Spread the marinated pork shoulder around the pan. Stir and turn the pork shoulder to cook them evenly for 1 minute or until they change color to gray. Add in the kailan stem. Stir and mix to cook kailan with pork shoulder for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the pork has changed color to gray and kailan stem are a bit soft. Add in half teaspoon of sesame oil with quarter tablespoon of light soy sauce. Give it a stir until well combined. Add in all the yee-mee, garlic oil, sesame oil, light soy sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, thick soy sauce, chili, and 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic. Stir and mix for 45 seconds or until well combined. Alright, this should be great. Add in the kailan leaves with the spring onion. Continue to stir for another 45 seconds or until the kailan leaves are soft and cooked and the volume has reduced. Alright, this should be enough. Next, add in the bean sprout. Stir and mix for 20 seconds or until the bean sprouts are cooked and soft. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, this is good. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Switch off the heat, add in the egg strips and all of the crispy fried garlic. Stir and mix until well combined. The delicious stir-fried yee-mee noodles are ready for dinner. Let's dish out and serve. Let's eat! Very tasty and flavorful. The yee-mee is cooked perfectly, while the pork shoulder is tasty and very tender. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!